guys, welcome back to my channel. So today our channel, but today it's me, Nyla, and today I know I haven't been posting a lot, but I'm sorry, just that I've been very busy with very busy with other things. So today I just want to show y'all some videos about Pit. I'm sorry, guys. Put it down, okay?
I can't, it's too sticky.
I told you, I know how to work
Your
it.
slime is sticky.
So guys, I just want to show you a quick video of slime. I know that my videos are not really popular. Our videos are not really popular.
Get your words right.
And I just want to show you like just a quick thing about slime, which I gotta eat. I think I got it Tuesday, yeah. And it's a very kind of like a dark blue slime. Let's look at it.
But right now it's sticky because she needs to activate it.
I told you I don't need to activate it. You see, guys, it's very stretchy.
Everyone, leave it down in the comments if the slime's sticky. Don't you have to activate it a little? Because she's been adding glue.
88, 89, 90.
I'm sorry, guys. It's just like I suck at making YouTube videos. I just try to be famous, which never works.
What are you doing? I'm trying to count rocks, which isn't easy when you have a
So guys, you see, I got my bowl with Pit of glue in it, which I'm trying
I'm sorry. She just
to
really
get
has
all
your
the
voice down
glue.
perfectly. Okay, why are you standing here counting rocks? For the rock box dump. The rock? What is the rock box dump? The rock box dump.
Oh guys, look, there's a. I'm sorry, you see that? It's just a. Look, there's a big puppy. Say hi, Talia. Her name's Talia. She's a bull. She's a bull and lab dog, which she's very cute and friendly. Say hi to the parents, Talia. Hi, big puppy.
I guess that's a positive way.
But guys, anyway, let's just continue with the video.
All that stuff. Well, Danger being sick is famous.
I don't know, I guess it's just a good poking slime. Very stretchy too at the same time. If you hear that things up in the background, it's just that person right there watching Henry Danger.
Hey everybody, it's me, Oliver. And to help raise money for hypermotility awareness, I'm gonna dump a box of rocks on my head. 1, 2.
And guys, I'm gonna add some more glue, and I'm gonna see what's your reaction because mostly I think it's more glue than slime. But I think it's more glue than slime. So let me just. Oh!
Show me a normal person who's doing the rock box dump.
Okay, guys, so yeah, I can see.
Hey
Yeah, I
guys,
can
now,
see
I
that.
don't know Kid Danger personally. But anyways, this is to help them get well soon.
And guys, you see, so pretty. Sorry, I know, guys.
My community to think I'm caring.
So I will be back.
What's working?
I'll be back, guys, and I will have the glue. Okay, guys, I'm back with some Elmore School glue. I use white glue because I don't really like clear glue. So let's just get one more quick before I don't know if it tears up or something.
Hey, this little guy tried to escape. Well,
Oh gosh, it's just my first new bottle of glue, my last bottle of
What is
glue.
going on? What happened here?
people said you.
I made a little hole.
I mean, people said Kid
Wait.
Danger.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna have my sister to be holding the camera.
I'm not quite sure on how to flip it, but oh well. We'll just have it like this the entire
You
time.
can see the things. You can zoom.
Okay, would you stop it now?
Come on, dude. Now there's a bee in here. Now there's a bee.
Just gonna have
You can
it.
see everything else. You can see everything else.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I'm just gonna get my bottle of glue. They cannot see me. You poured everything else but me.
how you do it, but well. Everyone, comment down below if that's how you do a slime.
Here it goes.
Well, the Kid Danger isn't sick. Alright, just set up the live stream. Alright, on it.
And guys, if y'all think it's just a mess, I know what I'm doing. Okay. Guys, I just got some glue on my jeans. This is my favorite pair of jeans too. So guys, first, I just she's just a mess, but trust me guys, I know what I'm doing.
It's a new day at Red Lobster.
Okay.
We interrupt this program for breaking news. Hello everyone, we just received word that Captain Man and Kid Danger
Okay guys, so you see, I didn't really do much to the slime, but you see it's still more stretchy. I think the more glue I add, the more stretchier it is.
That's such a good idea.
Okay guys, now let's just do the pokemon.
Begin, so let's take a look.
We're getting close to the key. Oh my god! Let's see, got.
Hey, Kid Danger. We gonna do this or what? I'm not Darbu.
You see those?
Well, we're live streaming right now, so. What? Right now? I told you to give it head up.
Heads up.
Okay guys, so I think that's all for this video. So if y'all new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, post notifications, be notified about every video we post, and don't forget to leave a like down below. Until then guys, bye.